Last video, y'all. This is number 6, I believe, and this is example 3. We are just going to look at, I'm sorry, this is actually below example 3. This is check it out 3. And the question is, I'm going to move the video so you can see. Suppose Anna's result in example 3 that we just did with the volcano above is correct. To check it, she measures a second triangle. Now she's doing the triangle below the volcano. How many meters will she measure between H and F? So we know that the distance across the volcano, AE, from our last problem was 1,550. Let me write that down. Actually, I can circle it right here and you can see it, 1,550. So y'all, how do we use our triangle midsegment theorem to figure out the midsegment? We know it's a midsegment because we have congruence here and congruencies here. So we know that this is in the middle and this is in the middle and it's connecting a midsegment. That theorem reminds us, and keep constantly going back to look at it so that you remember, it reminds us that the midsegment is not only parallel to the side of the triangle, but its length is half the length of that side. So if this was 1,550, half of it is going to be 775 meters, just like in the triangle above it. All right, y'all, that is it. I tried to move through these quickly and yet give you careful information. Remember, you can watch the videos as many times as you need to. You can pause them to write things down. You can pause them to simply study the picture and try to make sense of it. That is really what it takes sometimes to get a handle on some of these geometry concepts. It really takes, okay, let me study, let me process, let me read that again, let me look at this picture. It just doesn't always click on the first time around. So, all of that being said, these videos are for Friday. I hope you have a wonderful Friday. I hope your homework goes well. A lot of the problems should not take long. They will be working the puzzle pieces with the knowledge that I've just given you. And I'm realizing my Christmas tree is kind of blurry for you. There we go. That's better. Just do your best on it. Have a great weekend, and I will see you next week.